morning students. Today our lecture number 4 is all about conjunctions. As you know, conjunctions are the joining words which join words or sentences. They are the most common conjunctions like and, but, or, because, so. In your daily routine you are using such kind of conjunctions in your little sentences. So let's move to the exercise of conjunction from the book. Are you ready for that thing? Let's go. Conjunctions. Concept. Conjunctions are the joining words which join words or sentences. As I told you, these are used for joining the words or sentences or join words. Conjunctions join two sentences into one long sentence. Conjunctions are and, but, or, because, so. Examples: I like fruit and meat. Over there, and is a conjunction which is used in between a sentence or in between two things. Secondly, you can reach the school by bus or train. Over there, or is a conjunction which is used as conjunction in the sentence. Hiking or mountaineering. It's the passage all about the conjunctions. Let's just read the passage and then find out the conjunctions. Hiking and swimming is Maria's favorite hobby, but she likes hiking more than anything. She is also interested in mountaineering because her father was a great mountaineer and a sportsman. Her father wishes her to be a mountain climber, but he gave her a free choice to become a hiker or a mountaineer. So she has gone to the National Academy for Mountaineering and Allied Sport. She wanted her father's wish to come true. This is the passage all about conjunctions. Here we are and, but, because, and, but, or, and. These all are conjunctions. Let's just do the practice. Read the story Hiking and Mountaineering again and circle the conjunctions. Rewrite the conjunctions in the following blanks. We need to go back to the passage and read the conjunctions from there and rewrite it in the blanks. The first one is and. So we have to write and in the first blank. The second one is but. We need to write but in the second blank. Then the third conjunction is use because. We need to write because in the third blank. Then but is the fourth one and fifth one is like or. Over there we have to write but, or, and last and. These are the 6 conjunction which is used in the passage and we have to rewrite it in the blanks. So we are done with this. Let's move to the next page. Write the definition of conjunction. As we read and learn from the definition, conjunctions are joining words which joins words or sentences. कंजंक्शन क्या है? ज्वाइनिंग वर्ड्स हैं जो कि ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं वर्ड और सेंटेंसेस को. इन दिस फर्स्ट वी आर जस्ट go through with and but. And we use and for the sequence of actions or the expected happenings. For example, Jamil is doing his homework. It shows some action. He wants to finish it soon. Let's join the sentence A and B with the help of a conjunction and. Let's just join together, students. Jamil is doing his homework and he wants to finish it. This is the complete sentence with the use of and conjunction over there. The next one is but conjunction. We use but for the opposite of the expectation. हम कहाँ पे but इस्तेमाल करते हैं? अपनी expectations जहाँ पे उम्मीदों से बरअक्स. जैसे कि Jamil is doing his homework. He wants to play with his friends. These are the two sentences. Let's join the sentence A and B with the help of conjunction but. We have to join these two sentences with the help of but. As Jamil is doing his homework but he wants to play with his friends. So but over there is used as a conjunction. Third one is because. Because we use because to explain the reason. Because is used to tell and explain the reason. There are two sentences. Nazia is absent today. Second, she is suffering from fever. Let's join the sentences A and B with the help of conjunction. Because. Let's just join it together. Nazia is absent today because she is suffering from fever. Because conjunction is used in this sentence to complete the sentence for joining the sentence. Next is or and so. Or, we use or to show choices between options, like you can go by a bus, you can go by a train. Let's join the sentence A and B with the help of conjunction or. We need to join the sentence with the help of conjunction or, so it will make you can go by a bus or a train. Or is used over there as a conjunction. So next we move to so conjunction. We use conjunction to show result, decision. I traveled from Lahore to Peshawar. I am really tired now. So let's just join it with so conjunction. I traveled from Lahore to Peshawar, so I am really tired now. Hopefully these conjunctions are clear to you. Let's just move to the next exercise, which is complete the sentence with the correct conjunction. Use the conjunction box. Here we have been given the conjunction box in which and, but, or, so, because. These are the given filling in the blanks. We need to put these conjunctions in the blank. So are you ready for that thing? Let's move to the first one. He worked hard dash he succeeded. There are two conjunctions, but he succeeded or so he succeeded. He worked hard, so he succeeded. I want to help you dash I cannot. I want to help you and I cannot, or but I cannot. We need to put but conjunction over there. I want to help you but I cannot. She is crying because she lost her bag. I felt sick but I can still work. These are very good pencils, so I will buy 25 pencils. Jack and Jill, this is from your pre-classes like the poem Jack and Jill. So the and conjunction is used over there. Went up the hill. Ali put on his shoes but he forgot his socks. I want to go in the park but I have to prepare for my exam. Do you like apples dash mangoes? Do you like apples because mangoes, or do you like apples or mangoes? So or is the right conjunction to put in the blank. Red dash purple, which is your favorite color? Red and purple or red or purple? Red or purple is which is your favorite color. Let's move to the next exercise. Choose the correct conjunctions to complete each sentence. We need to choose the correct conjunction in each sentence. Like first one is, he has won many prizes dash he is still unhappy. And he is still unhappy but he is still unhappy, or he is still unhappy. He has won many prizes but he is still unhappy. Second one is, I went to the store dash bought some chocolates. I went to the store and bought some chocolates. Let's move to the next page. My father is right dash I will follow his advice. So I would follow his advice. Her hair is long dash beautiful. Her hair is long and beautiful. Ali likes tea dash he hates coffee. Ali likes teas but he hates coffee. I did not drink milk dash it smelled spoiled. I did not drink milk because it smelled spoiled. Because is the right conjunction to put in this blank. Thank you so much. Hope you are understanding all about conjunctions. These are the most important conjunction in which we are using in our daily life, like and, but, or, because, and so. Thank you so much.